Hey guys, what's up? So obviously there's quite a bit of trim to restore in this because it's a nightmare. But master, we have the new mode. Safety was already on there. That was one you guys saw before. That was the tier 3s in the front and the other ones in the back from Federal Signal. These now have the fusions in the front. That's all that does, is add the fusions. And then we have the override. Which is the fusions, which are stupid bright, and 2 AWL surface mount 6s set on steady burn. They give off quite a bit of light, so not bad for a little safety car. Thanks. I have a lot of interior to put back in.